Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I show you how to make Ayamase stew or Ofada stew for people who don't like to eat meat. I'll be using this fish. I just added a little bit of salt. Now I'm going to toss it up and down a few times simply because I want the fishes to be properly coated with the salt. I'll set this aside and then I'll show you another type of fish that I'll be using. Right here is Panla. It's been cleaned in water, but then I also still need to clean it a little bit by taking out the head and also removing the dirt that may be at the side. After doing this, I'm going to set this aside and then move on to the next step. But first, let me introduce myself. I am the online cook. I'm the Nigerian food blogger and I post Nigerian cooking videos on this channel. This is a Nigerian food recipes channel. So now I'm done with cleaning the panla and I'll move on to frying. And add some vegetable oil into my frying pan and allow this oil to heat up very well, and then I'll add my fishes. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, share this video, and of course please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I'm going to be frying these fishes until they are a lovely shade of golden brown. I'll also be frying the panla fish anyway, but I'll do that off camera. Here are the ingredients, main ingredient for this recipe. That is green scotch bonnet pepper, onions, and bell pepper. I just push that aside because I love to make my videos as fast as possible. So this is me just pouring my peppers into my blender. I didn't add the onions first or yet because as you can see the blender is already full, but I'm adding a little bit of water. Hopefully I'm going to blend this, and then when the peppers go down, I'll add the onions. Like I was saying, anyway, if you're thinking of how to be a good cook at home without spending too much money, well, that is why I'm here for you on YouTube. Like I said, this is a Nigerian food channel and I have so many Nigerian food recipes for you. I'll be adding my onions at this point because the peppers have gone down because of the blending. I'll add a little bit of water after adding the onions and then I'll still blend again. But I need to say that the texture that you're aiming for is not a smooth texture. Instead, it's a rough kind of texture, okay? You see that when I'm done blending. Let me show you. This is what it looks like. It's rough. Now let's start cooking. I'll pour my bleached palm oil into my pot and allow it to heat up briefly for about 2 minutes. Then I'll add my peppers. Don't forget to share this video, okay? After adding my peppers, I'll go on and add other ingredients like seasoning, crayfish, and then I'll add my salt. I'm going to be adding Ponmo. Hey, what is Ofada sauce without Ponmo? I'll mix this up very, very well and allow it to cook. Okay, so let me say something about the salt and seasoning. I know this looks like a whole lot, but you need to be careful with how you add salt and seasoning. Why? Because after cooking, it goes down, it reduces. I'll cook for 20 minutes. Let me show you what my sauce looks like after 20 minutes, although I'm not done cooking yet. Once you see the oil starts floating on the top, yes, your sauce is almost ready. Let me mix this up very well. I am already salivating. And then I'll add my fried fishes. And remember I told you that I would be frying the Panla fish. Yes, I'll add that as well. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. I'm mixing this up very well, but then gently because fishes have this fishes crumble easily. So that's why I'll be mixing it up gently. Hey, I wonder why I'm clearing my throat this much. Anyway, if you're an ardent follower of this channel, you know the sight of my cooking makes me happy. Anyway, now that I'm done, now that I'm done mixing the ofada stew, I'm going to cover it, yes, and then I'll allow it cook for about 10 minutes. I know you saw peppers and you're like, this is going to be spicy. So let me tell you something. When you cook with bleached palm oil, the bleached palm oil reduces the spiciness of the soup you're cooking, even if it should be quite spicy. Also, this is what my sauce looks like after 10 minutes. I'm going to mix it again gently. Remember, gently because you're using fishes, yeah? So like I was saying, also, because of the peppers are green, so they are not so spicy. I just added some eggs. I'll mix this up a little bit again, and then I'll cover it and cook it for 5 minutes. Now, if you're like, okay, even if they're not so spicy, but they'll be spicy, well, here is a news flash. Yoruba people love to eat spicy food. So when you're thinking of meals that Yoruba people love, think about spicy food. Yeah, Yoruba people love spicy food. And let me market my channel again. On this channel, on this Nigerian food channel, you will find a lot of Yoruba food recipes that you are going to love. So if you're yet to like this video, if you're yet to leave your comments, if you have not subscribed yet, and after subscribing, you should click on the bell button. Do you know why you should click on the bell button? It's very simple because you'll be notified every time I post my amazingly new recipes. Hey, I have new recipes for you almost every week. That's enough reason why you should subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for taking your time. Yes, to watch this video. And don't forget, like I'd always say, good food should be enjoyed always. Till I see you next time.